Hey guys, Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. How are you guys? I hope everybody is well. We are going to make another beef jerky recipe today, guys. We are going to start off with our 2 pounds of black Angus beef, as usual. And today, guys, we're going to make something a little bit different, something that people don't normally think about for beef jerky. Okay, we're going to make a nice Texas chili beef jerky. Okay, so Texas chili is very different from the rest of the country. Texas chili doesn't have any beans in it. Okay, it's mostly meat, and that's what we're going to make a beef jerky today. We're going to make a nice Texas chili flavored beef jerky, guys. Okay, so this is what we're going to start off with. You know it. We got to start off with our black Angus beef. That's just the way it is, right? And we got our ingredients here. We got some beautiful ingredients. We're going to make a nice Texas chili beef jerky. 2 pounds of black Angus beef, my friends. So let me go over the ingredients here, guys. We got some soy sauce. We got some ketchup that we're going to use, okay? And then we got some chili powder. You got to have the chili powder in Texas chili beef jerky, right? We got some onion powder, some minced garlic, guys, some cumin. We're going to use some cumin in this, a little touch, okay? And some Himalayan pink salt so we can make sure our jerky working alongside with the soy sauce is preserved, okay? So now we got one other thing we're going to add to this. You know I love my heat, right? I love my sriracha sauce. I love my habaneros, but I especially love my jalapenos, okay? So we're going to put some nice jalapenos on this Texas chili. We'll give this a nice little spicy flavor at the end, okay? Who doesn't like a little bit of spicy chili, right? So it's fantastic, guys. So let's get started. You know what we got to do. We got to put all these children in the pool, right? Get them all swimming in the pool. So let's get this started. First, we're going to use some soy sauce here, guys. We're going to use 3/4 of a cup of soy sauce for this recipe. So let me see. We got this is a 1/2 cup here, and then I'm just going to give it a little bit more to make that 3/4 of a cup of soy. Okay, guys. So now what we're going to use next, my friends, is we're going to give this a nice little bit of a little background tomato flavor. Okay. So we're going to use some ketchup. We're going to use a 1/2 cup of ketchup. Okay, we're going to use this nice ketchup flavor in the background. All right, Texas chili, Texas style chili, guys. Fantastic. Let me rinse this off. All right, Texas style chili beef jerky. Who would have thought of it, right? You know who would have thought of it, the crazy fat guy. So hey, my friends, we got our soy sauce, we got our ketchup in. We're going to give it that nice chili flavor. We're going to do 4 tablespoons of chili. All right, chili powder here. Oh, I got a big chunk of it. 4 tablespoons of chili. Now, if you don't like it that spicy, go easy on this stuff. Okay? I like it a little spicy. So you can definitely cut back on the chili. You can use about 2.5 tablespoons. Don't use heaping tablespoons, remember, on that chili, because it's very strong. Although we want the chili flavor, we don't want to go crazy, okay? So we got our chili powder in there, and we're going to give it a nice garlic flavor. We're going to add granulated garlic. I never use powdered stuff. I'm sorry, granulated onion, my friends. I misspoke. This is granulated onion. We're going to use some granulated onion. We're going to use 2 tablespoons in here. 1, 2. Fantastic. And then we're going to give it a nice garlicky flavor. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. All right? All right. I love garlic. Oh, let's get some nice fresh garlic, minced garlic in there, right? Beautiful. Okay, we're almost there, guys. We got our minced garlic in. We're going to do some minced jalapenos now. This is about 1/3 of a cup of minced jalapenos, okay? Now, you don't have to use that many. Again, I like it spicy, so I'm going to use 1/3 of a cup in there, my friends. Give it a nice little spicy jalapeno flavor, okay? So now, I'm going to use some cumin. So this is cumin has a very Mexican influence. Cumin is one of the primary ingredients in taco seasoning, okay? So it's going to give it a little bit of that taco spice. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon, again, because we don't want to overpower this and make it taco jerky. We want to make it chili, Texas chili. All right, here we go, guys. We got our cumin in here. And then last but not least, we're going to put our Himalayan pink salt in here, guys. Okay, so this here, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of this stuff here. Guys, and this is going to be so our jerky lasts a little bit. Oh, I shortened it a little bit. There we go. This is going to be so our jerky lasts. The soy sauce is going to cure it. But you know I like to use that Himalayan pink salt to preserve it as well. Okay? Now take a look at this, guys. Look at this. Beautiful colors. This is going to be a nice thick cut Texas chili beef jerky, guys. I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to show you what it looks like after we mix it. It's got that nice dark chili. Oh man, this smells unbelievable. Oh my goodness. All right. Wow, you're going to like this one. This is good stuff. Man, I got so many recipes. I don't know what to make for myself a lot of times. I love them all, you know. They're like my children. I love them all equally. All two of them. All right, guys. So listen, I got this all mixed up. You know what we're going to do? Very simple. We're going to marinate this for 48 hours. If you don't have a dehydrator, you're going to cook this in your oven till it gets to just above 160 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? And then you're going to lower the temperature a little bit, maybe 150 or so, and finish this off in your oven or your dehydrator, okay? But listen, guys, you know it's all in the Great Beef Jerky Guide, so go get the Great Beef Jerky Guide. 27 recipes, scratch-made recipes. Tell you how to cook it in the dehydrator, tell you how to cook it in the oven, all that good stuff. Okay, here we go. Texas chili. Texas chili beef jerky, my friends. Check it out. Make this one. It's delicious, okay? Don't forget to like the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel. This is the Fat Yankee. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.